All right, so today we're going to be talking about making money on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest, if you don't know, is a huge website that a lot of people view photos, and you can even connect your website to the particular photos that you post on Pinterest, which we're going to get into right now. But before we do, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. And so let's talk about Pinterest, because I'm sure that you've heard of Pinterest before, but maybe you never really went on the website itself, or it's kind of a second language, a different language to you. But I will say this about Pinterest: if you understand how to market yourself or market your business on Pinterest, you could potentially be making a lot of money, or you can be losing out on a lot of money if you're not getting in on, posting your photos on Pinterest. One of the things that you could do to make a lot of money on Pinterest, and then there's a lot of ways to be making money on Pinterest, don't get me wrong, but in my opinion, the best way is doing this. Let's just say you have a business on either Etsy, eBay, it doesn't matter, Shopify. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your particular Shopify website, let's just say. What you're going to do is you're going to link your Shopify website to a particular account that you're going to create on Pinterest. So let's just say you are a pets company. What you're going to do is you're going to link that domain and create a Pinterest web, a web page. And what you're going to do is quite simply just post pictures of your products, pictures of pets. And so you're just going to post all of these particular photos on your Pinterest page. And then you're going to have on the actual title of your Pinterest links, and then you're going to link your website to your Pinterest page. And it's extremely easy to do, and we're going to get to that right now. Twitter link right there. You can even put your Instagram link or your Shopify website link as well. And so you can sell your nail products on Pinterest. Her website is attached. And that's what you need to do right here. You need to just attach your website right there to Pinterest. And you can see right here, look at this. She has 755 followers, which isn't a ton. However, look at this though. This is what we're talking about. This is the reason why Pinterest is so great for you. And, it really just goes to show how many people view this website. 795,000 monthly views. I want you to think about that for a second, of how much this person could be making, or you could be making, just by having, look at this, just by having your own, pictures on your website. And you see right here, this person links her website right there to Pinterest. And then right here, you could see she has her very own brand attached to these, to the nails. So this person is getting just so much attention and so many views and so much money, I'm sure, just by posting her own beauty products. You see right there, she has it all attached. Use hashtags as well. PG Polish right there. Very important to mention all the details. And take a look at this too. This is very important. I was going to mention this. Right at the top right there, I don't know if you could see it, she mentions the website pgpolish.com, and she uses the watermarks. Very important to do this, and she includes the Instagram right there. If you can tell, I'm not sure if you can, but it's all there. I mean, just put your Instagram and put your website right there on the photo in terms of the actual watermark. That is so key. And as well as linking your own website in terms of, the hashtags and everything like that, and let people comment on it. And that's just so important to do this. This person, right here, see, we're going to click on this, see what comes up. Yeah, I mean, this is a blog. I mean, she just links her blog right to the actual Pinterest page itself. So that's what you got to do right there. This is her blog, and you can be making a ton of money just by having your blog attached to the Pinterest website. You could be selling your own Etsy products on Pinterest as well. And so basically you're just going to link your Etsy shop right to Pinterest, And you could be making way more money than you possibly think you can, just as long as you do this properly. And so again, all you need to do, just as a we're going to backtrack for a second here. Okay, let's take a look at that last one. Yeah, this person knows what's going on here. See right here, this person, all you're going to do is just put your website right there, right here, and put your username as well right there. And then you're going to just, say this is the official Pinterest of soandso.com, see what inspires us, finds helpful wedding DIY projects, et cetera, et cetera. This is really not to help anyone. It's essentially just to promote their own business, which is totally fine. And take a look at this. 101.4 thousand followers, which is not bad, and 10 million plus monthly views. You ladies and gentlemen don't understand just how much you could be making just by having a Pinterest page for your small business or any business itself. And I mean, all you got to do is just post your photos. And also, of course, link your actual website itself right to the photo itself. And you see right here, if I click this, I'm sure I'm going to go to her website. Yep, weddingbee.com. And you see right here, this is another blog. It's just absolutely a fantastic marketing tool. And it really just creates a lot of backlinks to your actual website itself, which is extremely important if you're going to rank on Google. I can, begin to tell you how important it is to include backlinks to your actual website in terms of putting it on Pinterest, Facebook, et cetera, and so important, just so important, and I'm telling you guys and girls out there, all you got to do is just put your photos on Pinterest and link to your actual website, and it's just so easy to make a Pinterest yourself. And I'm going to probably make a video just in terms of making the actual account itself. But you, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure can figure it out. It's very, very simple. The sign up is very simple. Include your username, password, all that, and you are ready to go. It is just that easy, and you could be making thousands of dollars, per month, and have just so much attention and so many people just looking at your website just by finding you on Pinterest. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to be making a lot of money on Pinterest. Now, for someone who understands making money online, then I will have to say Pinterest is one of the best ways to make a lot of money online and link your particular website or eBay account or Etsy account, regardless of what it is. And that's because first of all, it's free. You really don't have to pay any money to put your items on Pinterest. It's completely free. It's totally free advertising. And of course, there are other ways to make a lot of money, let's just say on TikTok, YouTube, and so on and so forth, to make, free advertising, I should say, to advertise your particular product for free. But Pinterest is just one of those websites that you can post on, and it would be a completely free link to your website. Why wouldn't you want to do that? That's the question. And I'm not someone who's a paid spokesperson for Pinterest. I just think that it's extremely beneficial for you and your small business. And so that's why I'm trying to pass on this information to you. And that's really all that it is. Pinterest is seriously just somewhere where you can, let's just say, search for a particular, let's just say you want to search for butterflies. All you need to do is just search butterflies, and butterflies will come up, or cats. Let's just say you're someone who really just loves to see cats. If you have a business that sells pet products, then what you're going to do is just link all of your pet products and, put them on cats and stuff, and people will actually go to your website because they would see, oh, wow, I really need that for my cat. There's a really cool toy. or something that they wear around their, a collar or something that, maybe a little jingle or something, like a little bell or something that's cute that people like. And they will go to your website and want to buy that based on just seeing a particular photo on Pinterest. That's all it takes. That's the advertisement right there. Look at Pinterest like free advertising for you and your business. And so now there's a lot more, of course, content to cover in terms of selling on Canva, Pinterest, and a bunch of other websites out there, including like TikTok. And those are all on my YouTube channel, which you could check out in the description below. And you can also sign up for Shopify, sign up for Printful and Fiverr and all that in the description below if that interests you. And so for now, I'm going to go, but thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more, and I will see you in the next video.